Alright guys, I have some data here that I've collected in a lab that I'm going to type into Excel and graph to show you how to graph. So I'm first going to do my column titles. I have a time and position, or time and position data. Hopefully this will help you with the Dune Buggy lab in case you haven't graphed it yet, because you say you don't know how, even though there's all. Well, I'm just going to shut up. I'm going to show you how right now. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and enter all of my data. So, hold on one moment. Okay, so it looks like my data is missing a point here because it goes 0, 2, 6, 8. And so it looks like it's missing 4, but it really doesn't matter. We can just say this is data I've collected, so I can type it in any way I want to. Now to insert a chart, I need to highlight my data. If you have headings, just make sure that if you're going to highlight them that you only have units with the headings here. You don't want to put like 0 seconds, 2 seconds, 6 seconds because Excel can't work with numerical and letter values. So I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to go up here to the Insert tab and I want to insert a scatter plot. So I'm going to click right here at the chart, go here to scatter plot, and now it gives me a nice graph. Honestly, I feel like it works better to just highlight the numbers and then go in and change your chart title and axis titles as you see fit. But anyways, now to add those elements, you go to this plus here to add chart elements, or you can come over here to the left where it says add chart elements. You can just decide. So I'm going to go here. I need a chart title. That's checked, so that's good. And I need axis titles. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now, I need to rename these. I don't want this just position because my lab was looking at position versus time. I could also label it, Dune Buggy Lab or Velocity Lab, whatever I'm looking for. This axis title is going to be whatever's on my y-axis, which is position. So honestly, you just need to click on it and then you can type in whatever you want to be on that axis. This axis is going to be time in seconds. It's always good to include your units on your axis so I know what we're measuring. I know that this y-axis is measuring position and that it's in meters. Now, you need to be able to do a trend line. So I'm going to go over here to add chart elements, go down to trend line, make sure that's checked. Not only do I need the trend line shown, I also need the equation shown. So if you click this right arrow and then go to more options, my face just is going to have to keep moving. Let's see, more options. Oh no. Okay, so this is more options for the graph. We need more options for our trend line. So here, more options. Now, this is going to change the color and stuff of your graph. This will do effects. We don't really need any of that. If you go over here to these bars, then you can see that when it did a trend line, it already did a linear fit. Then we can scroll down and do display equation on chart. Here is our equation for this line, which is really important. Now, on your graph, I could probably, I may not be able to edit that equation. I know instead of y and x, I would want my equation to look something like this. I need it to say position equals 2 times my time plus 4. Make sure you always have your equation with literal variables, not y and x, because we don't deal with y and x. Our variables are position and time. I hope that helps. Please make sure you follow those steps when graphing anything, and I hope you'll eventually get the hang of it to where you won't have to watch this video or ask every single time, because we're going to be doing lots of graphs this way, so get used to it. I hope you have a great day.